having lunch with my 4-year-old today, he told me that he did not want to eat his lunch because in turn that would make him grow up, and he did never ever want to be an adult. And I asked him why, and he's like, well, being an adult is really boring. And I was like, dude, you know what? Being an adult is really boring. The only thing that gets me through is Trash Car. I absolutely live for Trash Car. I wait all year long for this season to start. I live and breathe Trash Car during the summer. The only complaint I have is that the parking situation is absolutely horseshit.
Everybody take a deep breath, wipe off your visors. Watch the flagman drivers in 3, 2, 1. We got two cars stuck together up here.
Yeah, your dad's.
Alright, well, we just turned some hot laps into a hot mess. These two cars up front here are all connected with some of their bars. We're going to need a little bit of help getting them out. in, Greg. That's like watching Baywatch in hell. To go in. 3, 2, 1,
Oh, I'm blind. Oh, God. Hold on. Where are my sunglasses? I don't even know where I put them. Anyway, time trials went really well. I ended up qualifying in 2nd, which is fine. I would rather qualify in like 3rd or 5th, but got right out ahead at the very beginning. Had a great heat race. I ended up winning 1st. So now I just got the main race left to go. You can tell, probably can tell I'm shaking. That was an incredible race. Lots of carnage. And really soupy out there, but man, what a good time that was. When this adrenaline dump stops, I am gonna pass out. We've got a couple races in other classes, and then I think we're doing a tough trucks thing and some other thing, and then I have another race. So I've got a little while to wait.
here we go. Big hand. faster. We'll get the track fixed up, cleared up, and then we'll get to the 4 cylinders.
Holy cow, what an amazing night of racing. I had such a good time. I cannot believe that I pulled off another first place finish. This is beyond any expectation I could have ever had. I had an amazing time. It's just, this is so much fun. I don't understand why more people don't come watch or more people don't participate, because it really is just the best time. Anyway, I have the car loaded up. I'm off to bed. Yep. I'm gonna drive home, pass out, and then maybe tomorrow we'll do a quick walk around and see what kind of new damage there is, because I have absolutely no idea right now. It's so caked in mud, I can't even tell. The car did really well. I have no complaints. Won first in our class. I'll absolutely take it. But I did notice a few issues throughout the day that are definitely gonna have to be addressed before the next race. Some are a little bit more high priority than others, but one of the first things I need to take care of is the alignment. For some reason, the 2 front wheels are pointed away from each other. They're toe out so bad. Another thing is the very front motor mount is completely gone. All of the rubber inside of it has decided to leave the chat. I don't know where it went, but it is not here anymore. So I definitely need to get that replaced. That's not going to be too big of a deal. I'm going to try and do that at the same time as I do the alignment. The very last thing I need to address is that I can't shut the car off with the key. I can't. For some reason, I'm having a lot of trouble turning the key, and now it is stuck in the run position. It still will start the car, but I can't shut off the car from where the key is stuck. At first, it wouldn't even start the car, and that scared me because I realized that right before my heat race started, I had to undo the SAD cable from the battery to get this thing to shut off. So I'm gonna have to put in some sort of a kill switch if I feel like just leaving the key switch. I'm probably gonna do just a push button, because I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to trust that ignition switch. She's doing great. Other than that, I'm super pleased with it. That is another tally mark on the hood for this year's podium finishes. That makes 3, and man, I could not be any more pleased. I've only raced 3 races this year. I've missed 2 of them, so we're 3 for 3. That's pretty good to me.